David, is this a copy of Charlie's? You know Charlie? The one, this was built in Japan. See the flatty in there? Is that what you put in there? Man, that is... Look at the paint on this. Oh, look at that. Man, I love it.
Oh, I used to.
You know, model paint, you know, you gotta have a very fine airbrush to paint a lot of this stuff. You remember painting. And then the trim. A lot of guys use foil. And some use a pen. This looks like Lee's car. No, it doesn't look like Lee's car. There it is too. That's beautiful. Look underneath of that. And these guys look like they have paid. I should have brought Mike's car here. I should have brought the wheelies I built. I mean, these guys put as much time and effort as a full-size car.
3 pieces a half-inch together, and then started making it shape. And then I started grinding with a grinder and sanders and grouter bits and stuff like that to start figuring out the holes and make the shapes. But I started to make it look like a vehicle. Once I did that, I thought, okay, I'm ready to try this. And I even had put a Jack in the Box head on it.
What? Oh, the Jack in the Box head?
Because my idea was...
Look at the paint on that, man.
You're going to have to face the clock. And then the grill was going to have a piece of glass in it too. And in the grill, you'd see the pendulum swing down inside the cabinet. So, right.
See the Jack in the Box.
The face will have to... Well, it'd be better with a wine and a tequila. The other clock I have...
Now you got to see the trophies they give these guys are better, a lot nicer than the car show trophies.
I took some parts out I can use, so I figured, you know what?
See the chiropractors on the back brace.
We're talking about cars and girls who aches and pains. Most model car detail stuff.
They all live today.
Every model you can think of. Murphy. They call it a Lincoln Continental. I don't even think they came out with Lincoln Continental in. Oh, wow. I used to have a lot of these. I used to have boxes of these, and I never had one car together I only had one car together at one time because I would take the parts off all the other cars and make one car. And that's where I got my ideas for my car today, my real car, for making models. Some other cars come out. I saw that. Yeah, I did one. But that's actually on the good ones. I did a nice video on.
Well, no, 58 would probably fit, but it'd only be the front windshield.
The rest of the side you can use flat.
Yeah, I would just leave it like this.
Windshield.
It's like too much work. It's not worth it, huh?
Some resin here.
Yeah, maybe somebody might have it. What would you go on that, Paul?
75.
That's the best? Okay. I gotta,
my rock bottom prices.
I gotta go get some more money.
Okay. These are my rock bottom prices till 3 o'clock, and then they drop again. $400, $500.
My ATM. ATM's next door to Sheridan.
What do you need?
They're about buying at one mall.
How much you need?
The 7?
You.
Because that's rock bottom price. Depends what it's rock bottom price.
Make it happen, little boy. And the practice tree ain't working. Ah, I love this thing. And this is what I would like to find. That would be perfect. The real thing.
Good luck.
The real thing.
I've seen a couple of tow trucks for sale, but I've never seen the original Ram truck like that.
Yeah, they show up every so often.